Think about the features you would create for this part. I see two features, this shape from the front plane and this shape from the right face of the part. Start a new part and confirm your units of measure. Start a new sketch on the front plane. Use lines to sketch the shaded shape. Add smart dimensions and adjust the lines to the appropriate size. You will always want to use fully defined sketches. You can tell a sketch is fully defined when all the line segments are black and the status bar says fully defined. This is extremely important. Use the Boss Extrude tool to give your sketch a thickness of 3 inches. Extrude away from you. Select the right face of the part and start a new sketch. Sketch this shape using a circle. Attach the center point directly to the midpoint of this edge. Use the Convert Entity tool to bring the existing edge. Finally, trim away the parts you don't need. With the power trim, left-click and hold the button while dragging a line over the parts you want to remove. Extrude this sketch using the to next and set the direction toward the part with the flip button. Assign the 6061 alloy material. Determine the part mass and enter your mass on the worksheet.